lipas ng panahon. Kaya nga God promises Abraham descendants and a covenant for all nations. In Genesis chapter 17 verse 1, sabi niya rito, and when Abram was 90 years old and 9, the Lord appeared to Abram and said unto him, I am God Almighty, walk before me and be thou perfect. So ito yung sinasabi, verse 2, and I will make my covenant between me and thee, and I will multiply thee exceedingly. Verse 3, and Abraham fell on his face, and God talked with him, saying, verse 4, as for me, behold, my covenant is with thee, and thou shalt be a father of many nations. Verse 5, Genesis 17 verse 5, neither shall thy name any more be called Abram, but thy name shall be Abraham, for a father of many nations